Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here. So a little bit of a sweet kawaii design haul-ish. So these are from Michael's, and then I also picked up some other washies from Michael's. So I thought I would show you guys that first, and then this package from Sweet Kawaii Designs got here. So then I was like, my order. So then I was like, well, I'll just film it all together because it's all Sweet Kawaii Design anyway, except for these washies. So I had not seen these. Oh, these are Hobby Lobby. These aren't Michael's. I hadn't seen these ones before necessarily. They might have been out for a while. I just didn't see them. They did raise their price of their washi, but they were half off when I bought them. So they were still only $2.50, and I really like this width of washi. And I just like the blues and florals. And then this one says like find the joy in little things. And I thought that one was cute. And then I got this one with like the clouds. I thought it was good for April. So we'll see what spreads I'm able to like pair these with. And I like the gold dots on that one. So I feel like it's a good deal when you're getting 3 different kinds, and they don't really short you on how much they put on there. So I like that about these, because when you buy things in a tube, sometimes it's hard to tell. Which brings us to these, because I like these and they're very unique and everything. But when I bought the unicorn one, and I realized, but I mean, you can clearly look on that side and see how much is really on there. But I thought this this set would be a good one because that purple one, I was like shaking it around, is actually separate. So there's 4 washies in here, which I think the one that I got before, yeah, it just had 3. It was these 3. So I don't think there was a 4th, unless I used it, but I think that there was only 3. I don't know. Yeah, I grabbed it and used it already. So I thought that that would be fun. And then I told you guys about the coffee weekly sticker kit, because these are only like $5 at my Michael's, and so was this. So I wanted to get this one because of the coffee. I thought that was adorable, especially with like the coffee fun freebie Friday. So they've been doing like some foiling in there, but all the kits are pretty much set up the same. I will start working when my coffee does. Tea time, me time. That's so cute. And then there's like your date covers and some more foiling. It says, sorry, I'm latte. Those are funny. I like how punny Sweet Kawaii is. It says insert coffee to begin. Then there's the bottom washies. So it does come with washi, but like if you're wanting to stretch your kit or no white space, you'll want to get some washi. Life begins after coffee, but first coffee. So, and then more little washi strips. And then there's some more. Like the tea bag too. That's cute. Alright, so that is the kit that I got from Michael's. And then yeah, that washi was from Hobby Lobby. My bad. I like didn't look at it and I forgot about it. So this is how her packaging comes. I have not opened it yet. But I definitely had to get the Freebie Friday, since the Freebie Friday had a hot glue gun sticker on it. Yeah, so I had to get it. This is so cute. Thank you for supporting a small business. Handmade with love. And then I always end up like tearing the sticker. Although I think hers peels off. Does hers peel off nicely? I don't know. Yeah, I think it does. I'm not sure if it peels off to the point that like you can reuse it, but alright. Dive in. I don't think I bought a kit. I think I bought mostly functionals. I think that's what I did. Yeah, it was mostly functionals. Because I think there's like a $10, you have to spend $10, and she does a special freebie on Friday until like 9 p.m. or something like that. So that's what I wanted to make sure that I snagged. So this is like the freebie that comes with like every order. It's usually like 4 stickers down here, is how it works. And then like this one is usually there as well. So you get like 5 stickers. She added another hashtag introvert. Says, no, I'm good. Don't taco to me, I need space, binge time. And this is usually a preview of like, I feel like what her next kit's gonna be, because this one was a definite preview of the next kit. She now has a kit that has like it's a crafty kit, and so I kind of want it, but I haven't. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. I know I should have zoomed in more on the washi tape, huh? There you go. Brought it back. So this was the freebie that I like, the reason I pushed myself to purchase, because it says crafting is the best medicine, and it had scissors, and then it has her little monster guy, I forget his name, and then it says kill them with craftiness, and it's got like washi tape, and it says I can totally make that, and it has a hot glue gun, so it's totally me. So I had to have this freebie. I had to. And then here's the little postcard. I think I'm allergic to mornings. It's really cute. And then this one, I got this one, it says it says family time, and it's like her little cows. which I thought was really cute because it's just us three, so I thought it would be cute to put that on there. Yeah, I was trying to see what the little baby cow has, and it's like a flower or something in its mouth, which is kind of funny. And then this one, of course, I had to have. This one came out around the same time, I think, or maybe it was before, I don't know, but it says crafty time and it has washi tape, so, and scissors, so I definitely had to get me that. Oh, and I always get the itty bitty kind. One, you get a little bit more on the sheet, you get a little bit more stickers, and they're a little bit smaller, so they fit in my planner spreads better, but that's just me. So all of mine are itty bitty. And then here's this one. This one is laundry, so I thought it was funny because like my son has started to help with the laundry, so it's like the little monster, and he's like eating the sock and he's like holding another sock, and so he's working on learning to fold and put away his own laundry, and he can switch loads too, but like he can't hang up like the clothes that need to be hung up and stuff like that, but he can take the things out of the dryer, and I have him sort his clothes out, so he has to fold and put away just his clothes because I don't want him, you know, folding and putting away mom and dad's clothes. So there you go. But yeah, so I got some of those for marking like that he's helping with laundry, so I wanted those, so I got those. I don't remember how much each one of these cost, but I got these 3 sheets, and I think it was like I used probably a 10% off code or something, and it was like $10, but you get like, you know, a lot of stickers on the sheets, plus you get your little cards, and you get this, so I definitely feel like I got like, I think I spent like $10 or $11. I think I have value there, so I think I'm good. All right, so I hope you guys check out Sweet Kawaii Design. She does give out referral codes or links or something like that. I put it in my description box. I think it's like if you're a first-time person to order or create an account with my link, then you get 10% off or something like that. I'm not really sure. I don't remember, but it's in there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!